Well, welcome to another travel vlog, and this time we are in Venice. I have got one of my very good friends, Jadine, here with me today. We decided that we would be coming here yesterday evening. We've both been before, so I feel that this video isn't going to be as touristy as some of my other videos. We're not going to see all the main sites and attractions. Obviously, we are going to see some of the most impressive ones, but a lot of it is going to be off the beaten track stuff, just us enjoying Venice.
Yeah.
Welcome to the main square in Venice. This is called the Piazza San Marco. You've got the Basilica, you've got the palace. Both of them are absolutely jaw-droppingly gorgeous inside. So today I might give you a little brief peek inside, but we're not going to do the full tour because at the end of the day today I do want to discover more hidden gems with you guys. Well, very obviously one of the things that Venice is most known for is for being the city on water. And here there are actually over 350 gondolas and about 400 gondolieros. Everything that you see around here is completely pedestrian, and also there are no cars, none of the things that you usually find in other big cities. Now, time for lunch in the famous Gritti Palace hotel in Venice. This is a luxurious historic hotel set in the 16th century palazzo on the Grand Canal. What do you think of our chosen lunch spot?
Gorgeous. I mean, look at that view.
What is it?
Yum. Oh my god, don't ask me what it is. It is a tomato pasta from Italy. That is good pasta.
Right next to the Gritti Palace is Venice's main luxury shopping street. This is a vibrant avenue lined with high-end boutiques and designer stores. But if this isn't exciting enough for you, keep watching to the end of the video to see the most unique thing you can do in Venice. Venice, on the pictures it looks like it's all about grandeur. It's actually not. Half of it is grand and imposing, but the other half is tiny little streets that you could get lost in. I really like this aspect of Venice personally, because here you can kind of get away from all the tourists and the crowds and just be at one with a lot of history surrounding you. So now I'm bringing Jadine to check out a museum here. It's more like a design exhibition. As you can see, she's a very stylish lady, so she knows her design and her clothes. She knows her fashion. Well, there's actually a pretty famous fashion designer that used to live here, work here. His name is Fortuny. He was originally Spanish, and he rose to prominence about 100 years ago. The Fortuny Museum in Venice is a captivating cultural space that you could spend hours exploring. But now, it's time for something a little different. We are in one of the busiest areas here in Venice. This is right next to the Ponte Rialto, which is the oldest bridge out of the four that crossed the Grand Canal. And behind me, you'll actually see the ferry terminal, and it looks like a proper station, like you'd expect it to be a train station or an underground metro system, but it's not. The area surrounding the bridge is also home to many souvenir shops. Here you'll find carnival masks, Murano glass, and, well, a few other things. Jadine's boyfriend asked her for a little gift from Venice, and what did you get him?
I got him the most useful gift. Hi. Andrew, you're welcome.
Believe it or not, this is Venice Hospital. Not only is it a working hospital, but the exhibition on the upper floor also features a collection of ancient medical instruments, historical documents, and artworks from hundreds of years ago. The babies that came into this world.
No, that's not what it is.
Yeah.
That is not what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is really good birth control right there.
Jay, next time you can't sleep, I'll plop this on your head.
That should get the job done.
Yeah, nice bedtime reading material there. Do you think this is enough books, or should we go see more books?
Let's go do some more.
So Venice has a total of 117 islands. So that's a lot of little islands scattered around. It's not just this one island that we're on now, but on the island that we're on now, which is the main one, there are different areas. This one is known as Castello, which is one of the bigger ones, and it starts off near the hospital, which is where we were now. So very quiet, calm, not busy, and then as you go down, it gets busier and busier. But I am personally loving this quiet, and just I feel that you get the best of Venice here, because you still get the water, you still get the gondolas passing through, you still get the old houses, the tiny little streets, but everything is calm and you can hear your own voice and you're not constantly being crowded with other people. So we're going to continue down these streets, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I meant when I said that we will be seeing even more books, and very unusual ones at that. Libreria Aqua Alta literally translates to the high water library. Books are placed in creative ways to protect them from flooding. Now, keep watching to see the most shocking thing you can do in this area. But first,
I got chocolate and coconut.
I also like chocolate and coconut, but this time I went for chocolate and peanut.
The biscuit on top. I'm so glad I brought this home and
Chiesa San Zaccaria. What do you think is inside?
Based on what you said, I have absolutely no idea.
So I didn't do a very good job at explaining them. So basically this is a 15th century church with a crypt that is constantly flooded.
Oh wow, it's actually really bad.
It's really cool.
We're in Venice.
Welcome to Venice. Water and flooding at its finest.
That's how we start.
What do we think?
That was really cool. It's amazing what little bit of water can do.
Said the first Venetian. I literally cannot believe that place.
It's really, really cool.
What was that? Wow. I've never experienced anything like that. Like, I've seen crypts and I've seen flooded areas, but not together.
That's the thing, is I wasn't actually sure if we were meant to go down there because
Yeah.
it's flooded. Usually you wouldn't be allowed, but that was really cool.
Yeah. And at the start, we were the only ones there as well. So we were like the guinea pigs, and then everyone just sort of followed. But this, I think, has been one of our highlights here during the off the beaten path kind of exploration of Venice, hasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I would definitely recommend.
As our journey through Venice comes to a close, I hope you've been as captivated by the city's timeless beauty and hidden treasures as we have. See you soon for more adventures. But for now, ciao from the enchanting canals of Venice.